Woodworking is a timeless craft that combines creativity, skill, and practicality. For those looking to turn their woodworking hobby into a profitable venture, focusing on mini projects can be an excellent strategy. Mini woodworking projects are not only easier to manage, but also have a broad appeal, making them perfect for selling at craft fairs, online marketplaces, or local shops. Here are several ideas for mini woodworking projects that sell well and can help you generate income. Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of mini woodworking project ideas that sell well to make money as a woodworker ideas to your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One of the most popular mini woodworking projects is coasters. Wooden coasters are highly sought after due to their functionality and aesthetic appeal. They can be made from various types of wood, such as oak, walnut, or cherry, each offering unique grain patterns and colors. Personalization is key in this market. Consider offering options for custom engravings or designs. You could create themed sets, such as holiday coasters, or coasters featuring popular quotes or images. To enhance their appeal, you might finish them with food-safe oils or sealants, ensuring they are both beautiful and practical for everyday use. Another lucrative project idea is wooden keychains. These small items are not only easy to make, but also have a wide market. Keychains can be crafted from scrap wood, making them an economical choice for woodworkers. Personalization plays a significant role here too. Offering custom shapes, initials, or logos can make your keychains more attractive to potential buyers. Consider creating themed keychains for specific interests, such as hobbies, animals, or professions. The low cost of materials and the high markup potential make wooden keychains an ideal project for generating quick sales. Small planters or succulent holders are another excellent option in the realm of mini woodworking projects. With the rise in popularity of houseplants and succulents, many people are looking for stylish ways to display their greenery. Wooden planters can be designed in various styles, from rustic to modern, allowing you to cater to different tastes. You can create simple rectangular boxes or more intricate designs with compartments for multiple plants. Adding drainage holes is essential for functionality, and you might consider finishing the wood with non-toxic sealants to protect it from moisture. Personalized planters with names or quotes can also attract buyers looking for unique gifts. Wooden toys are a classic choice that never goes out of style. Simple puzzles, building blocks, or pull-along toys can be crafted easily and appeal to parents seeking safe, eco-friendly options for their children. The demand for wooden toys has seen a resurgence as more parents become aware of the benefits of natural materials over plastic. You can create educational toys that promote learning through play, such as shape sorters or counting games. Ensuring that all edges are smooth and safe for little hands is crucial, so investing time in finishing is essential. Additionally, consider using vibrant, non-toxic paints or finishes to make your toys visually appealing. Decorative items like picture frames or wall art are also excellent mini woodworking projects that can sell well. Picture frames can be made in various styles, ranging from sleek modern designs to rustic farmhouse aesthetics. You can offer customization options where customers can choose the size and finish that best suits their home decor. Wall art could include carved wooden signs with inspirational quotes or nature-themed designs. The versatility in design allows you to cater to a wide audience, making these items highly marketable. Birdhouses and feeders are another popular woodworking project that appeals to nature enthusiasts. These can be designed in various styles to attract different types of birds, from whimsical designs to more traditional ones. Consider adding features like removable roofs for easy cleaning or drainage holes to keep the interior dry. Offering customization options, such as personalized signs or unique paint finishes, can further enhance their attractiveness. Birdhouses and feeders not only serve a practical purpose, but also add charm to gardens and outdoor spaces. Cutting boards and serving trays are perennial favorites in the woodworking community. They are practical kitchen items that many people appreciate, especially when made from high-quality hardwoods like maple or walnut. You can create unique shapes, such as animal silhouettes or geometric designs, which can set your products apart from mass-produced alternatives. Adding personalized engravings can make these items perfect for weddings, housewarming gifts, or special occasions. To ensure longevity, consider finishing them with food-safe mineral oil and providing care instructions to your customers. A small wooden phone stand or tablet holder is another great mini-project idea that combines functionality with style. As technology continues to dominate our daily lives, many people seek convenient ways to hold their devices while they work or watch videos. A well-crafted wooden stand can be both an attractive addition to a desk and a practical tool for everyday use. You can experiment with different designs, such as adjustable stands or those with built-in cable management, to cater to various user needs. Personalizing these stands with engravings can also make them appealing gifts. Custom wooden signs for homes or businesses are always in demand. Many people love to display their family names or favorite quotes on their walls, making this a lucrative niche within the woodworking market. You can create signs using different techniques, such as painting, carving, or burning, to achieve various aesthetics. Offering customization options allows you to cater to individual tastes and preferences. Additionally, consider creating seasonal signs for holidays or events, as these can attract repeat customers looking for new decor throughout the year. Wooden jewelry boxes or keepsake boxes are also popular items that many people appreciate for their beauty and functionality. These boxes can be designed with intricate carvings or simple, elegant lines, depending on your target market's preferences. Consider adding compartments for organization and personalization options like engravings on the lid. Jewelry boxes make excellent gifts for special occasions such as birthdays or anniversaries, so marketing them as gift items can help boost sales. Pricing your items appropriately is crucial. Research similar products in your niche to determine competitive pricing while ensuring you cover your costs and make a profit. Offering bundles or discounts for multiple purchases can encourage larger sales while building customer loyalty. In conclusion, there is no shortage of many woodworking project ideas that have the potential to sell well and generate income for woodworkers. From coasters and keychains to birdhouses and custom signs, each project offers unique opportunities for creativity and personalization. By focusing on quality craftsmanship and understanding your target market's needs, you can turn your passion for woodworking into a thriving business venture that brings joy both to you and your customers alike. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.